Welcome to the lesson Left Right. In this chapter we shall learn about directions, and how to navigate from one place to the other. Maybe one day, you will be on an exciting journey to navigate from Earth to a distant planet. Given below is a picture of a hand. Place your hand on it so that the palm faces the paper. Your thumb and fingers should be placed on those drawn in the picture.
Is this okay?
Well done. The hand which fits on the hand in the picture is your right hand. Now place your other hand on a page in your notebook and trace its outline with your right hand to get a picture.
Here you go, I have drawn the outline.
The hand whose outline you have just traced is your left hand. Remember, the left and right hands are mirror images. Let us sing an interesting song on directions. It is going to be fun as well. You must move your hand along with the song. Put your right hand in. Put your right hand out. Put your right hand in. And just turn around. Put your left hand in. Put your left hand out. Put your left hand in. And just turn around.
Mr. Viz, this is so much fun. I want to do this with leg as well. Put your right leg in. Put your right leg out. Put your right leg in. And just turn around. Put your left leg in. Put your left leg out. Put your left leg in. And just turn around.
Wonderful. I am sure you will very soon be dancing on stage with these steps. Now look into this classroom. See how Ruchira is sitting in the middle. Tell what is there to Ruchira's left?
Let me first mark left and right hands of Ruchira. Now it is easy for me to answer. A colorful big ball is there to the left of Ruchira.
What things are there behind Ruchira?
Behind are things which Ruchira can't see, as they are to her back. Behind Ruchira is cupboards and a door to the room.
What is there on Ruchira's right?
To Ruchira's right is a basket full of crackers.
Who is sitting on Ruchira's right?
A boy with a green t-shirt is sitting to the right of Ruchira.
What is in front of Ruchira?
A boy with a trekking bag is standing in front of Ruchira.
Fantastic. This is a picture with Ruchira in the center. In this picture, draw a book behind Ruchira.
Well, here you go, Mr. Viz, book behind Ruchira.
Now draw an animal on Ruchira's right.
Well, I am drawing my favorite pet dog to the right of Ruchira.
Now, a chair on Ruchira's left.
Sure, I am drawing chair. You can sit on this chair to the left of Ruchira.
Well done. Now draw a tree in front of Ruchira.
Why tree? Is Ruchira sitting in a park? Well, I am drawing an apple tree.
Well done. Haha. Looks like she is sitting in Himachal, as you have drawn apple tree. Let's summarize what we learnt. When you rotate your right hand, the space occupied by your right hand is your right side. When you rotate your left hand, the space occupied by your left hand is your left side. Space in front of you is front. Space toward your back is behind. If you turn around, everything is reversed. Your left hand is pointing in the direction of previous right. Your right hand is pointing in the direction of previous left. Even the front and back get reversed. So, always remember, the left and the right directions for you will be reversed in comparison to your friend standing in front, facing you. With this understanding, let's get back to the exercises we were doing. On whose left is Ruchira sitting?
There is a girl with pink dress. Sitting left to her is Ruchira. I am also aware directions are reversed when two are side by side. That is why girl with pink dress is right of Ruchira.
On whose right is Ruchira sitting?
There is nobody to the left of Ruchira. So Ruchira is not sitting to the right of anybody.
Fantastic. This is a very important exercise and both of you answered all the questions right. With this we have come to the end of session 1 of the lesson, Left, Right.